Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an Amex gift card to your Amazon account. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, go to Amazon.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page and hover over your name. A menu will appear. Click on Account from there. On the next screen, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Payments and select it. Now to add your Amex gift card, find the Add a Payment Method option. Click on it and then choose Add a Credit or Debit Card. Enter the details from your gift card like the card number, expiration date, and the security code. Once that's done, your gift card will be saved as a payment option and you can use it at checkout. If you're unsure about the balance or need to activate the card first, check the back of the card. There should be instructions, including a website link or a phone number where you can manage the card, activate it, and even set the zip code if needed. And that's it. Adding an Amex gift card to Amazon is that simple. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.